Okay, we're going to take a look at the inside of this 1960 Series 2 Land Rover D109. Alrighty, tell me what some of this stuff is, because it doesn't look like a current day vehicle.
This is the heater fan.
Okay.
Heater fan switch.
Okay.
This is the windshield wiper switch.
Okay.
This switch turns the interior lights on.
All right.
This switch turns the panel lights on.
Okay.
Headlights, park lights there,
Okay.
headlights.
All right.
And of course this is the ignition.
Okay.
Water temperature, oil gauge.
Okay.
And I installed a red light up here, so that when you're driving,
You can see it?
you don't have to rely on the idiot oil pressure light.
Okay, gotcha. Gotcha.
Oil pressure light, and this light is the light that comes on when the choke, to let you know that the choke is pulled out.
Okay.
And that's the starter switch.
Starter right down there.
Just push it down.
Now you told me that the gauge that does the oil and the water temperature, that was all set off, and they put new tubes to it.
New tubes and calibrated.
Now, tell me what's right below there.
This is for a trailer that has brakes.
Okay.
And there's a hookup back there.
Okay.
You push this in and it makes the brakes on the trailer activate.
Okay. Very good. Okay.
This is the heater.
All right.
And they're called a shin burner.
Yeah.
Because when you open this door,
it
blows right on your shin.
Right down there, huh? Okay.
And if you close both of the doors up,
Uh-huh.
there's no heater in the back.
Okay.
It puts air out and defrosts.
Up in the front. Okay.
And this is the air conditioner.
Oh, you just open it right up and the air comes right in there. Okay.
And here's the other air conditioner effect.
Okay.
Is this thing, you pull it back,
Yeah.
and then you push it forward.
Okay. And then
And the
that.
air comes through the top, the two panels on the roof, and blows in.
So I noticed the roof really has like two sections of metal.
Exactly.
And so what happens is when the air's flowing, it'll flow into here, so you're not getting rain and that kind of stuff too. Well, that's great.
That's all the air conditioner you got.
Okay. All right.
So,
All right.
and this is a new headliner.
All
New
new
cushions.
headliner. Okay. And the back's been all done too. All new cushions.
All new cushions.
Mm-hmm.
Or padding and
Padding,
then
okay.
upholstery. New floor mats,
Okay.
new door reconditioned door panels.
Okay. And you told me that all the hinges on the doors have been redone,
Yes.
and they're kind of different in that they've got ball bearings and springs.
Yes. And all new felt around the windows.
Okay. All right. Well, tell me about what's on the seat here.
Well, I restored this vehicle in 2014. I took it to the Euro Car Auto Festival in Greer, and it won first place in all the British vehicles.
Nice.
And in addition, the folks in the crowd liked it enough that it was given a crowd pleaser award.
Oh, that's great.
But it was just kind of a cool thing.
That is very nice. Well, I tell you what, I'd like to see if we can do a walk outside.
Okay.
All right.
And